Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to buy crypto on Kucoin mobile app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Kucoin, you can use the link down there in the video description below, and you may get rewards and discount upon signing up an account. So without further ado, let's get started. So right here on the mobile application, just go to your asset, and after that just click buy crypto directly. Then after that you will need to choose your preferred cryptocurrency that you want. So for me, I'm going to choose the USDT or Tether, and also I can just set up my fiat currency to US dollars. And after that, after doing that, I can just input my the amount of US dollars that I want to invest or I want to spend. Or if I click this button, I can switch to USDT to insert the amount of USDT I want to purchase. For example, I'm going to purchase USDT 100, and after that I can just click buy USDT. But also make sure that your account is already verified user, so you need to have a verified account in order to buy cryptocurrencies and Kucoin. And after that, after you verified your account, just click buy USDT and use your credit card or debit card as a payment method for your purchase. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can buy crypto from Kucoin. And also that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.